Good morning, guys! Happy Monday! So, laundry day. So, first thing first, isisiparit na naman natin tong ating mga labahin. So, from socks to socks, pants to pants, then yung malalambot na tela, then yung damit ni Mr. Damit ko, minsan pinaghihiwalay ko din siya. Ayan. So, matagal na naman tayo matapos ngayon maglaba. Kasi marami tayong labahin. Actually, dalawang basket ito. Nasiparate ko na yung isa. Then, this is it again. It's our laundry time. How about you guys? What makes you busy on Monday? Actually, my laundry day is Saturday. Then, na-change na lang siya. From Saturday to Monday. Kasi I want my whole time to my husband. So, yun. Kaya nag-decide ako na Monday na yung laundry day ko. I'm still looking for a job though. Hopefully, one day, someone will call me or message me, hey, you're hired, something like that. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so before pala mag-load sa washing machine, so we are done with the separation, the socks, my stuff, then pants, my husband, towel. I already have the towel in there. Then these are like silk or something. Anyway, so yung towel, babawasan natin to kasi medyo loaded siya. Masisira yung washing machine ng maaga. So guys, I'm using this Tide. Okay naman siya. Yeah. So, tingnan natin kung may laman pa. Okay, may laman pa siya. Ayan. Tapos, since konti na lang to, lalagyan natin to ng tubig. Okay, I guess that's enough. Then, i-roll na natin yung ating washing machine. So, i-flip ko yung, okay guys, para makita nyo. So, naka-tap water lang siya. Ilalagay natin siya sa heavy, then naka-normal. Then, press start. So, finally, that is our first load. So, obviously, ilang loads ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loads. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you guys in my next upload.